in the back. Are you sure? Wow. Have a good time in the party. And come back before 12 o'clock. Okay, thank you. Wow, there are many people here. There are babies and Poppy now. Patty, look at their girl. Who is she? Look at her hair. It's long and pretty. And who's talking? What's your name? My name is Cinderella. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Cinderella, come on, let's dance. What time is it? It's 12. What's the letter? Oh no, can't go. Goodbye, there, please. Wait, don't go. What is this? Is Cinderella name? Wait. Who is it? Cinderella, open the door. Yes, mother, is it your wish? No. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. No, it's not. It's too small. Is it your wish? Yes, yes. No, it's too small for you. Can I try it, please? No, you can't. It's not your wish. Let her try. Wow, it's your wish. Are you Cinderella? Yes, I am. The wish is from my mom. Please go come to the castle with me. Yes. Yes. Can they go to the castle with me too? Sure. Mother, what's the clothes? Sister, please water the clothes. Yes, Cinderella. Please, they are walking. Yes, they are very happy now. Let's have a party this Saturday night. All right, please.